because that's where all of the action really is. Manisha joins us now. Manisha, we saw quite the move over the weekend. So take us through what's going on with gold, because there was quite a jump that we saw in the prices.
Oh, well, absolutely. The geopolitical premium is not just seen in case of the crude oil prices, but in gold as well. So from a low of $18 an ounce that we saw by the end of the last month, the prices have jumped to nearly $19-20 an ounce right now. So within a matter of 10 days, you have seen $100 of a jump up come in case of the gold prices. We're trading above $1,900. On Friday, we saw prices gain up by 3%. And for the week, the previous one, 5.5% of gains is what the gold prices clocked. This has been the best weekly gain that gold has seen in last 7 months. Silver prices also gained up by nearly 2% on Friday and closed the week nearly 3.5% on the higher side. Well, to begin with, it is about escalation of the concerns between Hamas and Israel that has been adding premium to prices. And then you have seen the US inflation come in on the modest side. So the markets believe that you wouldn't perhaps see an aggressive interest rate hike going forward. That also led to some buying coming in for gold. And then there is an expectation of the rate hike cycle, not just in US, but the European Central Bank also has voiced similar statements that has been supportive. The weak China economic data, the trade numbers that came in, whether it was export or import, both the numbers have seen a decline. That in turn also supported gold buying. The central bank buying in sense of gold also has been on a stronger side. Just to remind you that last year was a record buying that the global central banks did. And this year as well, from Jan to July, between this period, the first half of any year, it has been a record central buying yet again. There also has been a World Gold report which says that nearly 24% of global central banks are still saying that for the next 12 months, they will continue to buy gold and increase gold into their reserves. So that clearly probes well for the gold prices as of now.
Okay, thank you very much for